Hi, I'm Kim Masita with the Oldendorf Group, and welcome to 1953 Farmingdale Road in Scotch Plains. This 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home is spacious and enjoys a prime location just blocks from parks, restaurants, New York City commuter transportation, and schools. This lovely home features a formal living room with a fireplace and dining room. The eat-in kitchen with breakfast area has a door to the patio which welcomes al fresco dining on warm summer nights. You are sure to love the large family room with high ceilings and sliding doors to the expansive backyard. The first floor master bedroom is perfect for one-floor living and is well served by the hall bathroom. 3 more bedrooms and another full bath are found on the first and second levels. This wonderful home is set on a private, fenced-in property that is perfect for entertaining, gardening, or relaxing. We'll be serving up 1953 Farmingdale Road shortly. If you are looking for a spacious home in a prime location, this is the home for you. For more information, please reach out to the Oldendorf Group.